Alright, what I have here are two Hero 10s. They are both set up the exact same way. Even in ProTune, I went through the menus, and everything is identical. And you might remember, or if I told you anyway, I know I've told some people about this, how you can get two of the exact same cameras with the exact same firmware, and they're both unreliable, but one is always more unreliable than the other. I've used three Hero 10s, and they're all very different. Well, here's another example. Look at how much noise we get on this one, and how much cleaner it looks on this one. I mean, it's still noisy, but that's a pretty big difference. Look at that ugly purple noise, and here it's almost not there at all. Again, every single thing has been matched. All settings are identical, ProTune settings are the same, ISO is the same, color profile is the same, sharpness is the same, everything. Even the custom settings on the front. And I've turned them on and off multiple times, and it's always like this. This one's got a lot more noise than this one. Same camera, same firmware, same settings, and once again, different results.